Hello everyone, myself Sivanand Sharma and I am here to present my topic which is Blue Brain. I have I have created a PPT. I am from Barkatullah University, so I have prepared on that. So let's start. Blue Brain. Here is the content which I provide to you, that is introduction. What is Blue Brain? What is virtual brain? Function of natural brain, function simulation, blue brain objectives, how blue brain works, blue brain power, artificial brain, and benefits of blue brain. And lastly, I will explain conclusion part. So let's start. First of all, I will introduce about blue brain. What is blue brain? It is a human brain. The human brain, the most valuable creation of God is human brain. The man is called intelligent just because of his brain, but we lost the knowledge of brain when the body is destroyed after the death. But blue brain is different. The name of the world first blue virtual brain, that means a machine that can function as human brain. Is really possible to create a human brain. What is blue brain? The IBM is now developing a virtual brain known as blue brain. Okay. Second point is, it would be the world first virtual brain. Within 13 years we will be able to scan ourselves into the computer. Here is some picture which I provided. What is virtual brain? A machine that can function as a brain. It can take decision, it can think, it can respond. So that this is the type of virtual brain. And virtual brain is also keep things in a memory. Why we need virtual brain? To upload content of virtual brain, natural brain into it, to keep the intelligence, knowledge and skill of person forever, to remember things without any effort. This is the present method. Functioning of brain. What is the function of brain? Sensory input. What is sensory input? Receiving input such as sound, image, etc. through sensory cell. Interpretation. What is interpretation? Interpretation of the received input by the brain by defining states of neuron in the brain. What is motor output? Motor output is defined as receiving of electronic response from the brain to perform any action. What is brain simulation? This is two types: natural brain and simulated brain. Brain are two types. First is natural brain. Second is simulated brain. Then in the natural brain, the input is through the natural neurons, but in the simulated brain, the input is given through the silicon chip or artificial neuron. The interpretation in the natural brain is by a set of bits in the set of register. In opposite to the simulated brain, interpretation is based on different state of the neuron in the brain. The output of natural brain through the natural neurons, but the simulated brain output is depend or through the silicon chip. Processing. Natural brain processing through arithmetic and logical calculation, but in the simulated brain, processing is done through the arithmetic and logical calculation and different artificial intelligence. Natural brain. What is the memory? Through permanent state of neuron. In the simulated brain, memory through secondary memory. Now there is no question how the virtual brain works, but the question is how the human brain will be up to loaded into it. This is also possible due to the fast growing technology. Awesome. Now we're talking about uploading human brain. The uploading is possible by the use of small robots known as nanobots. These robots are small enough to travel throughout our circulatory system. Traveling into the spine and brain, they will be able to monitor the activity and structure of central neuron system. They will be able to provide an interface with computer that is as close as our mind can while we start reside in our biological form. Then uploading human brain continuously. Nanobits could also carefully scan the structure of our brain, providing a complete readout of the connection. This information, when entered into a computer, could then continue to function as. Thus the data stored in the entire brain will be counted. Example of blue brain. A very good example of utilization of blue brain is the case of short-term memory. This is the main example of blue brain. In some movies, we might have noticed that a person might be having short-term memories. Another situation is that when a person gets older, then he start forgetting or take a bit more time to recognize a person. For the above reason, we need a blue brain. It is a simple chip that can install into the human brain, for which the short-term memory and volatile memory at the end age can be avoided. Now, hardware and software requirement in the blue brain. A supercomputer, a memory with a large sorry, a memory with a large storing capacity, processor with a very high processing power, a very wide network, a program to convert the electronic impulse. A program convert the electronic impulse from the brain to input signal, which is to received by the computer and vice versa. A very powerful nanobots to act as the interface between the natural brain and the computer. This is the medium of neural network. The blue brain has some 8,000 processors which map one or two simulated brain neuron to each processor, making the computer a replica of 10,000 neurons. Blue Brain project objective. What is the objective of Blue Brain? The project will search for insight into how human being thinks and remember. Scientists think that Blue Brain could also help to cure the Parkinson disease. The blue brain circuitry is a complex state of flux, the brain rewiring itself even every moment of its existence. If the scientists can crack open the secret of how and why the brain does it, the knowledge could lead to a new breed of supermarket computer. How the Blue Brain project will work. Now we will define how the Blue Brain project will work. The neocortex is the largest and most complex part of the human brain and constitutes about 85% of the brain's total mass. Next is the neocortex is thought to the responsible of the cognitive function of in language learning, memory and complex thought. The simulated neuron will be interconnected with rules the team has worked out about how the brain functions. The result would develop a simulated model known as blue brain. Now, the blue brain and human consciousness. Blue brain offer a better understanding of human consciousness. It is an actual computer brain that may eventually have the ability to think for himself. When it was first fed electrical impulses, strange patterns began to appear with lightning-like flashes produced by cells that the scientists recognized from living human and animal process. It happened entirely on its own. The blue brain and human consciousness. This helped the scientists to understand the actual processing of the brain, which arise to the concept of blue brain. Now, Blue Brain acts as a computer that would operate in incongruity speeds, something fast enough to simulate the human brain. A Blue Brain aims to unlock the secret of brain by using the brute power of supercomputer. Now, flashes of activities. You can see that flashes of activity. Blue Brain started producing flashes of activity that scientists recognized from measurement of natural brain behavior on its very first day. It happened entirely on its own. Blue brain power. What is the power of blue brain? The human brain has 100 billion nerve cells that enable us to adapt quickly to an immense array of stimuli. Blue brain is a technology that uses blue gain, a supercomputer capable of processing 228 teraflops. The main aim of blue brain is to build a software replica or template which could reveal many existing aspects of the brain circuit, memory capacity, and how memory are lost. Blue brain power. The modeling is also able to work out best way to compensate and repair error circuits. The blue brain model can be used to detect and treatment strategy for neurological disease. Experiment on blue brain. Here are some experiment on blue brain. Scientists rely on computer model to understand the toughest concept in science. A computer model is being designed to take on the human brain. A generic template is built which allows us to reconstruct a brain according to any specific blue brain. An artificial blue brain comes to life in Switzerland. The machine is beautiful as it wakes up. It means it works in a fine way when started. Nerve cells flicker on the screen, along with that electrical charges are produced. These pieces of hardware consist of about 10,000 computer chips that act like a real nerve cells. The simulation was created at the Technical University in Lausanne, Switzerland, where 35 researchers participated in manipulating this artificial brain. Blue brain and artificial blue brain comes to life in Switzerland. It runs on one of the world's most powerful supercomputer. The goal is to build a much bigger electronic thinking machine, one that would ultimately replace the human brain, which will replace the human brain. Blue brain is the most radical attempt so far to investigate the mystery of consciousness. Blue brain in Switzerland. You can see this picture of a supercomputer in Switzerland. Blue brain model visualization. You can see that picture, how the visual like this, a visual representation of manipulation neocortical columns, the basic building block of the cortex. The representation show the part of the brain which has been modeled using a supercomputer. The visualization is a part of an ambitious project to create a biologically accurate functional model of the brain using IBM Blue Brain supercomputer. Now, a little of consciousness. See, this is the picture defined as human brain consists of 100 billion nerve cells. A supercomputer simulating an organ using current technology would produce a virtual blue brain. Blue brain simulation using microprocessor. The blue brain simulation uses one microprocessor for each of the 10,000 neurons in the cortical column of the rat's cerebral cortex. It helps to build a brain microcircuit in order to scale it in a human brain. Benefits of what is the benefit of blue brain? It acts as a supercomputer. Improvement in processing speed and memory could make entire human brain simulated. Things could be remembered without any effort. This is a very important aspect about the blue brain. Use the intelligence of person after death. It can make decision entirely of its own, allowing the deaf to hear via direct nerve simulation. Now, if blue brain is advantage, then here is some disadvantage also, which are we become dependent upon the computer. This is the very true thing. Another fear is found with respect to human cloning, a very costly procedure of regaining the memory back. Now we come to conclusion. What is conclusion? We'll be able to transfer ourselves into the computer at some point. Everybody aim of applying terrific computer power to the simulation of an entire brain. Very soon the technology will be highly accepted whole over the world. Thank you. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.